Design teams working in Revit are under constant pressure to deliver coordinated, data-rich models without slowing documentation. Revit 2027 addresses this challenge by introducing greater intelligence inside the model, more automation across production workflows, and a stronger infrastructure. This release focuses on 3 areas: AI and structured data, production efficiency, and a modernized experience. Let's begin with the features where AI and data-driven BIM support your decisions. The Autodesk Assistant for Revit is your agentic design and make partner. Powered by MCP, it delivers content-aware automation through natural language. Access product help in the model's real-time context to query the model, automate documentation workflows, and execute basic modeling actions with text prompts in one place. Save and reuse prompts in the prompt library to streamline repeatable tasks. Revit now runs on the final .NET 10 runtime. Required components install automatically, and add-ins compile against the latest SDK. This keeps the development ecosystem aligned with Microsoft's current .NET support lifecycle. Building on this infrastructure, Dynamo upgrades to .NET 10 and use Python Net 3 for new Python nodes. Core geometry operations execute significantly faster, reducing runtime in complex graphs. Asynchronous package handling improves stability, allowing computational workflows to scale with greater reliability. The next set of enhancements targets production efficiency in documentation workflows. Rule-based numbering eliminates manual renumbering tasks. Defines scope with rule-based filters with priority control. Partition sequences by level, room, or custom parameters. Configure prefixes and digit count, and edit sequences to remove gaps. Numbering adapts dynamically as the model changes, eliminating repetitive correction passes. Leader behavior gains more precise control. Exclude geometry from leader outlines in tag families and define attached or free start and end options. Enhanced snapping improves alignment, reducing drafting adjustments across documentation sets. Multi-category tags can now be set as defaults in loaded tags and symbols. Tag by category and tag all not tagged respect those assignments. Annotation becomes faster and more consistent across sheets. Control line weight sources for linked models directly within visibility and graphic overrides. Choose host or linked tables for lines 1 through 16 without editing object styles. Align documentation outputs across linked models. Sheet expansion behavior in the project browser is now configurable with a right-click toggle. Choose whether sheet nodes expand automatically during view placement, helping maintain focus and navigation speed in large documentation sets. This release completes a multi-year effort to remove the options bar. Placement controls now reside in the contextual ribbon, while parameter definitions remain in the properties palette, reducing interface fragmentation and cognitive switching during production. Refreshed Essential Skills videos are now integrated into Revit 2027 Help or contextually within tooltips. Updated sample models showcase new fit-outs, site and structural enhancements, and key features supporting cross-disciplinary workflows. The final group of updates modernizes performance and graphics behavior. Accelerated Graphics now operates as a fully production-ready graphics pipeline. Complex models render and respond with lower latency during orbit, zoom, pan, and walkthrough navigation. Section box manipulation updates in real time without view regeneration delays. Linked Revit models display accurately inside accelerated views, supporting faster design coordination. Transparency overrides, halftone settings, and linked display configurations match standard 3D view behavior, maintaining visual parity. Large models load faster, and multiple linked instances maintain independent override control while benefiting from the latest graphics technologies. GPU-based acceleration now supports everyday modeling, coordination, and design review workflows rather than serving solely as an experimental mode. Integration with the latest 3D Connection SDK improves stability and delivers smoother camera control in large, coordination-heavy models. Revit 2027 brings intelligence into the model, streamlines documentation workflows, and advances performance throughout your modeling experience. Put these capabilities into production now and strengthen your project delivery with greater confidence. For a detailed breakdown of everything included in this release, explore the Help Release notes or watch the complete feature series on our YouTube channel.